The future aviation navigation is the augmented reality flight chart. Hello friends, welcome back to Spatial Intelligence. This is Intelligent Map Lab. In today's video, we are stepping into future aviation navigation, where flight charts comes alive through or via the use of augmented reality flight charts. No more paper, no more guesswork or guessing. See me, I see you, no more. Rather, real-time, interactive, and 3D guidance. So, welcome back to today's video. So, for a pilot or aviation enthusiastic learner, this is a channel where you need to explore to learn how this works. So, we are going to dive in. Just imagine you wearing these augmented reality glasses. So, augmented reality flight chart is the way forward. It will help to reduce all these hazards in aviation. So, what is augmented reality flight chart? I will put it this way. Traditionally, we have flight charts, and the flight chart is static. Traditionally, most flight charts, they are static. And on that chart, there are waypoints, runways, altitude, airspaces, hazards. But for augmented reality flight chart, get all this information that I mentioned: the altitude, the runway, the airspaces, the waypoints, and combine it, project it into the actual view, into the pilot actual view of the sky. That is how it works. Just imagine you wearing glasses or looking at a tablet. What you're seeing, instead of symbol, you are seeing a waypoint in the sky. Imagine you wearing glasses or you're using a tablet. Instead of you trying to interpolate or interpret the topographic lines, which is the contour lines, you see the 3D terrain. Instead of you trying to avoid or dodge hazard, you see this augmented reality flight guide you, direct you, you dodge the hazard. And also, instead of you trying to chart your way to your destination, your direction, this augmented reality flight chart use the arrow to give you your exact direction. That is the beauty of augmented reality flight chart. Is the way forward for aeronautical or aviation industry. Okay, this is augmented flight chart overview that you are seeing right now. So, how does augmented reality flight works? Augmented reality flight works. This is the difference between traditional flight charts and augmented reality flight charts. These are the different ideas. Combining real-time sensor data with digital overlay. I repeat again. Augmented reality flight chart works by combining real-time sensor data with digital overlay. Then it pulls the information from GPS, from microscope, from terrain elevation model, from airport database, from flight charts, from weather layout. That is how it works. Then it projects this data into the actual field view of the pilot, so that the pilot will be focused, will not be guessing around like what the term they use, see me, I see you. No. So this augmented reality flight chart pulls all this information and bring it to the actual view of the pilot. So that is how it works. Now, let's see the little differences between traditional flight charts and augmented reality flight chart, to see if you go by it, by augmented reality flight chart, or you continue with your traditional flight chart. On the traditional flight chart, you need to literally interpret the symbols. It requires you interpreting the symbols. It requires you constantly checking the headings for traditional flight charts. It requires you cross-checking, referencing altitude. And also it requires you mental visualization. But for augmented reality flight chart, such is not there. Instead of you imagining waypoints, you see it around you. That's for augmented. Instead of you trying to interpolate the topographical lines on the chart, you will see it in 3D. Okay? Instead of you try to interpret or read the approach plate, you will see it. And instead of you cracking your head or try to maneuver your way, try to maneuver the hazard, okay, as you fly, it will guide you. That is the augmented reality flight chart. It will guide you to avoid this hazard. It will guide you and you will avoid the hazard. So this is the way forward. You know what is going on in our aviation industry? If this augmented reality flight chart is being used, everything, it will help the pilot to fly safe and smarter. Okay? So that is that. Augmented reality flight chart is the way forward for the aviation industry or for the aviation navigation. It will help to cut down most of these incidents that we have in aviation navigation. It will tell us, just imagine you wearing glasses, and the glasses helping you to navigate. You see everything. As you put on the glasses, you see the waypoint, you see the runway, you see the hazard, you see the landmark, you see everything. Instead of bothering yourself on paper or on a deck. It's the waypoint on the augmented flight chart. So these are the waypoints. Or on a cockpit. Everything is there. So that is the way forward. That is the way. So if you find this video helpful, inspiring, please press the subscribe button, like it, share it, and let others get to know. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel and follow us on X, on TikTok, on Facebook, and Instagram. So see you on our next video. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.